If you are planning to monetize your video on YouTube in the nearest future, the advice I'm going to share in this video will be very useful to you. Something happened some days ago. I was chatting with a creator who shared her YouTube channel revenue for the past 6 months, and surprisingly it was $23. Only $23 for a whole 6 months. So how could that be when others are making hundreds of dollars monthly and even some thousands of dollars? So this boils down to how she started her YouTube channel, and I think this is very important for any creator. Like that's if you are new or you are planning to start a YouTube channel, you must be mindful of this. So I met this creator sometime last year when she started her YouTube channel, and she reached out to me telling me that she wants to quickly monetize her channel. And during that period, when I went through her channel, she have done a couple of videos on her channel, and from what I've seen, she has this engaging personality. Her video presentation was on point, and I told her that let her keep making this video, and as time goes on, she will improve and she will start building audience, getting people to watch her videos. And if she make videos on trending topics in her niche, that would be a plus for her. And she asked me how long will she be able to monetize this channel if she follows this advice I shared with her. I told her that in a matter of months she will monetize her channel, and she told me that that she won't be able to, she doesn't have that patience to wait for months to monetize. That she wants to monetize her channel immediately. That she saw other channels, other creators monetizing their channels in days and even in weeks. So I told her that route might be very tempting, but that's not the best way to go, because the YouTube journey is not a sprint but a marathon. It's something that you do for months or even years. So you don't, because of what you want to achieve gradually over the years, you now ruin everything at the beginning. So she is okay that she will think about my advice. So fortunately for her, she met someone that was able to monetize her channel within days, and she reached out back to me and told me that she have monetized her channel and someone did it for her, and she's now about to apply for her YouTube monetization. Unfortunately for her, YouTube accepted her channel into their partner program. Now, fast forward 6 months later, she came back with a complaint that she's just earning only $23 for over 6 months, uploading several videos. I think the video she has uploaded over 20 videos within this period, and this is her problem now. So how will she be able to fix this? So on looking on her channel, I discovered that the person that helped her to monetize her channel used someone else's content, to monetize the channel. I think they went live. This what they call is a blind stream or silent streaming, something like that. And she got a lot of views and watch time hours from these streams, which now helped her to get her 4,000 watch time hours. And practically the 4,000 watch time hours is the most difficult part. Between the 1,000 the subscriber count and the watch time hours count. So she was able to achieve that, and everything went well. Now, when I also went further into her analytics, I discovered that most of her viewers, where she got most of those views that got her channel monetized, those viewers were from Asia, and she's doing an African content, which is basically for African viewers. So now when she uploads videos, after she got monetized, when she uploads video, YouTube recommend her videos to those who have been active or who have watched her video earlier. And YouTube prioritize watch sections. Like if you watch a particular channel or you watch a video from a particular channel, maybe you watch up to 10-20 minutes or so on a stretch or watch multiple videos from a particular channel, you see that each time the channel uploads new video, within that period of time, maybe in the coming days or in the coming weeks, YouTube will be recommending that channel's video to you. So now, after getting these viewers from Asia watching her live and all that, at the end of the day, when she uploads African content, it goes to those people. YouTube recommends her videos to those people, and they are not interested in those kind of videos. So that affected her channel, and she struggled to get views. Imagine someone during the time she was doing the live stream, she gets like thousands of views on her live streams. But immediately she got monetized and started making her proper content. Nobody watches her video, so she was totally demoralizing. So the reason why I'm bringing up this particular topic is because many of us are we are so anxious to get the 4,000 watch time hours, not knowing that the major thing is for you to build an audience. Audience will keep you safe even when you are not doing much on your channel. As long as you have this audience, you have already built a community. That is the greatest asset on your YouTube channel is not the subscribers, it's not the views, it's not the revenue you make and other metrics on your YouTube channel, but the most valuable asset that you have on your YouTube channel is the community you have already built on. So now, moving forward, if you're starting a new YouTube channel, just have in mind that building a good audience, or your core audience, your target audience, your preferred audience, is the most important thing while making your videos. So don't be in a hurry to hit the YouTube monetization threshold. I know the monetization threshold is very, very important. It makes sense that from the day one, when you start making your videos, you start making that money. But I'm telling you that getting this audience, having a reasonable audience, the perfect audience, or the right audience for your channel is the greatest asset that you can get for your channel. So now this also takes me back to a channel that was started like about 3 months ago. That channel has made over $3,000. And when this channel started, I was working with the owners of this channel. When they started, they were thinking of this idea of, starting from 0 subscribers, how can they get views and all that. But when I saw the videos they've already lined up and what's the kind of content they want to make on that channel, I told them that there's no need for you to use YouTube ads promotion on this channel. Just allow this channel for the first 2-3 months to see how it performs, and then before you can think of using maybe paid promotion to boost the channel. So they find it very difficult, but at the end of the day, they accepted my advice. So when they uploaded the first video, they got like a couple of views, like I think 5 or less than 10 views. They uploaded the second one the following week. Then I now told them that they should increase the pace of the frequency. So instead of uploading 1 video every week, they started uploading 2 videos every week. And within a period of, I think in the same first month, this channel, one of the video went viral, like got over 40,000 views, and that the watch time hours from that particular video monetized the channel. And surprisingly, other videos that they uploaded, started getting thousands of views, and within 3 months they were able to make over $3,000. So you can see the contrast between the previous creator and this channel that I talked about. It's not like this will always be for every creator, but what I'm trying to say here is that your audience is the most valuable asset you have on your YouTube channel. Don't toy with it. And when you are starting, don't focus more on the YouTube monetization threshold. It is good, but that could distract you from the long-term success that you get on your channel. So I hope this was helpful. I just thought that I should share this experience that I had with this creator. And also, many of us will be getting our revenue on the AdSense dashboard, and hopefully before the end of the month, some of you will be smiling to the bank. So if you're not getting enough, check how you started your channel. Possibly you didn't build your channel the right way, and don't be in a hurry to hit the 4,000 watch time hours. I know it's a very long journey. It's it's very frustrating, but keep improving in your content, and at the end of the day, you won't be disappointed. So if this advice was useful and helpful to you, please just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.